Found some old gold today, bro. Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Art of Rving. If you're not a sub, become a sub. And if you are a sub, thank you. Hit us up on Instagram, the Art of Rving. You are going to be very interested in this, I hope. Leave some comments down below. Just some things that have caught my eye. And hey man, stay to the end because there is a very interesting item at the end of this. So anyway, let's do it. Look at this old Thurman. Check out this. It is glass inside, guys. Look at that. Let's see if I can turn this. But can y'all see the illustrations on here? Look at this. I mean, just too cool. I could spend days on this thing, man. Look at that dragon, I guess. Oh, he's in the sea. And he's surfing down there. Let's go to Texas, all right? Just because that's where I live. All right, so there's he riding a dinosaur. I live right there. East Texas, man. You know it. Oil wells everywhere where I live. Let's get on to the next thing. Look how old this cooler is. And look how old this divan is. Divan. You know it. Look at the divan. Who says divan anymore? Look at this drain plug made out of metal. Thermos. A nice latch. Not even started to break. Huh. I just had to show y'all this. Sitting on the divan. Alright, next. A Coleman LP gas picnic stove. This is a protector, I suppose. One flame on it. Looks like a Coleman stove type control. And look at those cool colors. That is like, I don't know, peach, dark coral. Look at the balance on that thing and that shot right there. Oh, so nice. The Coleman LP gas picnic stove. All right, next. I'm not sure what I ran into here. It was just interesting, but it's made out of this cardboard and it has like a chimney and this overhang. It looks like mid-century modern kind of stuff. It's this big, just for perspective value. And I like how they left the snow partial on the roof like that. Red and blue complementary colors there. I don't know, just caught my attention. That's pretty cool. Probably some kind of Christmas thing you lay out there. Yeah, I love the windows in it. All right, man, next thing. Mark's mine. Yes, Fred Flintstone. Looks like Dino. A prize every time. Little prize machine there. Let's see, Rock City. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. So I'm gonna put my quarter in here and see if I can get Fred to dance around. Here goes nothing. Why, sure did. That's fun. I think I even got a prize in here. Look at that. Can you see that? I'm not sure exactly what that is. So cool. Yeah, just had to share that with y'all. 70s. How cool is this? I'm gonna sit in it. Oh man, you can hear yourself echo in here. Wow, carpeted, red carpet in here. Oh, and it like spins around. Oh, this is awesome. Yeah. No, I see monkeys, you're all over it, brother. Oh man, the sound like echoes and comes off. Thought y'all'd like this. Check it out. I had to show you this old McDonald's clock. But wait, there's more. Look at this. I wonder what year this is. Look at that. There's a hamburger on the tree. I'm not sure what those are called. Thought y'all'd be interested in that. Check out this. Okay. Carlton Rocket bubblegum, and it's in a rocket. Oh, this is awesome. Look at the shape on that. That has to be 70s. I've never seen it. Have y'all seen one like this? Apparently this is where you push for your gum, and then this is where it falls on the floor. And the kid chases around and eats it. Look, it's got pads down there. Crazy. There's an antique loft. Look at that, the Warren report. Man, too cool. This is a VW official licensed product. Look at these guys. She's got her camera. And there you go. Born to be wild. On your way to Woodstock. And it looks like she's like back there getting some lunch together. Look at that top comes off. And looks like you can configure it like that. And he's back there with the map with a cup of coffee. Oh, looks like they have a VW one too. Look at that detail on that thing. Yeah. There it is with the roof that comes on and off. I don't know, she's got a big toothbrush. I doubt it. I got the map. I'm ready to go. Okay, so the next thing I found was a transistorized fluorescent lamp. Wow, exciting, right? Not really. Well, the box is automobile camping household spare. These people are camping and look at that. It looks like a car with a camper built into it. Love the lighting on those guys right there too, pretty cool. And then look at this old bus here. And they're coming, there's a palm tree. A couple people coming to get on the bus. Well, that box is super old. The things that interest me. Check out this. Who doesn't like an amphibia car? Man, amphibia cars, why are they just so awesome? Amphibia car. Oh, look, they're all dressed up in the water. She's got his towel on, got her dress on. Man, nice. The amphibia car. There they are coming out. Be cool if somebody didn't know it was an amphibia car and you just drove it in the lake. It freaks someone out. Amphibia cars. That's pretty cool. I've never seen a clock. Check out this Big Boy sign. Looks like it's got some age on it. Man, we used to eat at Big Boy. Remember they had a Big Boy outside? It was fun. But really caught my attention though was this. Look at this. I bet this is an original McDonald's hat that they wore. I'll have to try it on. Hi, my name's Mark. Can I take your order, please? Look at this bad boy. Wow, airy. Does it look good on me? I thought it would. You know what this is? I don't think you do know what this is yet. This is, looks like from the 70s, a Bob Dylan poster. Man, I wonder who did that. Milton Glaser. Miltonglaser. Huh, I'm gonna look that up. Looks like a Peter Max. Y'all remember Peter Max? He did Yellow Submarine and all that for the Beatles. Yeah. Man, that is crazy good there now. Huh. Man, those colors. Ooh, nice. Look at this original poster here. Back to the Future 2. Man, that thing is huge. Opens November 22nd. But I got a little bonus with this one, guys. And away we go. Yeah, that's right. I'm sitting in an 81 DeLorean. Yes, completely restored one. This thing is comfortable. It is low. Back to the Future, baby. Oh, God. Yeah, look at me getting out of here. Oh. Whoa. I love the doors. I didn't know they had the marker lights on it like that right there. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that interior. It's perfect. This thing's for sale, guys. If y'all want a completely restored 81 DeLorean, let me know. I can put you in touch with this bad boy here. Something about that aluminum finish on it. Oh, those louvered back glass. Back to the Future there. Man, Mark's mine. Here we go, baby. I'm all over this thing.